Hello, this is Jamie Clubb from Clubb Chimera Martial Arts. I'm here to talk to you about Learn from the Fight. Learn from the Fight is a service I've been providing to certain martial arts teachers on a teacher consultancy basis. The lessons have mainly taken the form of straight-up history sessions where we've been studying great historic fights and great historic fighters and learning about their backgrounds and the strategies and tactics and techniques they've used in various competitions. However, the Learn from the Fight format has also been expanded into classrooms, either taking the form of 1-hour classroom sessions or full-on seminars and webinars. That's the beauty of Learn from the Fight. It's fully adaptable and there's a huge range of different topics we can study. We can have entire sessions where we look at a specific strategy, a specific style. It provides a very interesting and rich experience for martial arts teachers and martial arts students. So if you are interested in the idea of Learn from the Fight, please get in contact. It's open to everybody. We are looking to set up a membership-based idea for Clubb Chimera Martial Arts in general, but very specifically for Learn from the Fight, where we can look at great fights, we can develop workout routines based on the ideas of great fighters and information taken from great fights. So get back in contact with me. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.